Today, we are unpacking something that is genuinely mind-blowing. We are looking at the exact step-by-step journey of building a complete, fully functional and monetizable software business entirely from scratch, using literally nothing but artificial intelligence. Seriously, if you've been hearing rumors about people building profitable apps without writing a single line of code, you are absolutely in the right place. In this explainer, we are going to completely deconstruct the process.
$10,000 a month. That is the target revenue for the app we're analyzing today. Now, I want you to really ask yourself, what would you build if you didn't need to know how to code? What if, instead of spending months learning programming or dropping tens of thousands of dollars to hire a development team, you could simply command an entire virtual team using just everyday English text prompts? We're looking at a massive paradigm shift here. Your ability to describe an idea is now the only real barrier between a blank screen and a potential $10,000 a month business.
All right, so here is our zero to launch roadmap for today. Number 1, finding a profitable idea. 2, prompting the AI builder. 3, testing the live app. 4, iterating and adding features. And finally, 5, launching and monetization. Let's dive in.
Step 1, finding a profitable idea. Okay, so before generating a single pixel, we absolutely have to validate a real problem. Because at the end of the day, a real business has to solve a problem that people are actually willing to pay for. The creator targeted the B2C SaaS space, that's selling software subscriptions directly to consumers, which is often an easier starting point. To find the exact right niche, they used an AI platform called Atoms and activated an AI research agent named Iris in deep research mode. Now, Iris didn't just spit out generic advice. She pulled real market data, industry reports, and deep customer pain points to pinpoint high-demand niches with underserved gaps.
So what did the research uncover? Well, it highlighted a massive gap in the education niche. The data showed that most current learning apps suffer from incredibly low engagement and retention. Let's be honest, they're often just boring chatbots where students lose motivation almost instantly. The creators saw this data and totally pivoted away from making just another generic tool. Instead, they envisioned a solution that is interactive, highly personalized, and addictive, but in a good way. You know, a gamified study tool designed specifically for self-learners.
Moving right along to step 2, prompting the AI builder.
To translate this researched idea into functional software, the prompt is everything. The creator gave the AI this specific instruction. The platform should allow users to upload PDFs, study notes, and YouTube links, and convert it into simplified mini-lessons, interactive quizzes, practical exercises, and gamified learning sessions. The secret sauce here is absolutely the depth and clarity of the prompt. They didn't just say, hey, build a study app. They detailed the exact user flow, the dynamic experience, the features, and even tossed in existing competitors for design inspiration.
And to guarantee the absolute best possible result from that prompt, they used a crazy feature in Atoms called race mode, specifically cranked up to the turbo setting. Instead of just having one AI take a single guess at building the app, race mode unleashes multiple AI agents all at once. It's like a digital sprint. They actively compete in real time to build completely different versions of the application. Then, the system automatically selects the strongest result or lets you pick your favorite. In this case, an incredibly polished version generated by the Claude AI model won out. And remember, it's not just mocking up a visual design, it is literally writing the front end, the back end, setting up the database, and configuring user logins all simultaneously.
All right, step 3, testing the live app. Generating an app is super cool, but does the thing actually work? Well, just seconds after selecting the winning AI build, the creators signed in and accessed a fully functioning platform called Learnify, and the features were rock solid. Beyond having a really clean dashboard, it had instantly implemented complex gamification. We're talking XP points, daily streaks, level progressions, the whole 9 yards, designed to keep users coming back. It built a dedicated library for study materials, a sleek upload section, and a progress tab to track learning analytics over time. It is just astonishing that this entire complex infrastructure was spun up from one single text prompt.
Let's look at how seamless this workflow actually is in practice. During testing, the creator uploaded a PDF guide all about AI images. Instantly, the app's internal AI read the whole document, totally bypassing the need for manual studying. It automatically generated simplified mini-lessons that summarized all the core concepts. Then, it dynamically created interactive quizzes based on that exact material. And what's genuinely brilliant here is that the difficulty of the questions gradually increased as the user progressed. It made the learning adaptive and realistic. Finally, once the session wrapped up, the user's dashboard and XP analytics updated in real time.
Which brings us perfectly to step 4, iterating and adding features.
As amazing as that version 1 was, the reality of software is that you always need to iterate. Normally, adding a complex new feature would mean wireframing, restructuring the backend, and frankly, weeks of expensive developer time. But here, it's literally a 3-step process driven entirely by normal, everyday language. You just write a prompt requesting the new feature. Then, an AI engineer, in this system named Alex, takes that request, understands the whole context of your app, writes the code, and integrates it. Bam! Within minutes, the new feature is totally live.
To really test the limits, the creator asked Alex to build an exam mode, and the execution turned out to be incredibly sophisticated. It didn't just throw together a basic quiz, it built a highly professional testing environment. Users can set custom timers from 5 to 30 minutes and select different difficulty levels. But the absolute best part is the detailed reporting at the end. It instantly grades the exam, dishes out XP, points out specific weak areas for future study, and gives a full question overview. Wrong answers are highlighted in red, and when you expand them, they reveal the correct solution alongside a full explanation so you actually learn from your mistakes. This AI logic is genuinely professional-grade stuff.
Finally, step 5, launching and monetization.
Okay, so we've got a validated idea and a highly functional, fully iterated app. But let's be real, an app only becomes a business when it can accept payments and actually be discovered by customers. You need a storefront. The AI instantly generated a conversion-optimized landing page for this. It had all the classic SaaS elements, a punchy hero section, social proof testimonials, clear pricing plans, and an FAQ. It even went ahead and generated SEO-optimized articles designed specifically to help the app rank on Google and pull in organic traffic over time. And hey, if the creator wasn't perfectly thrilled with the AI's design choices, they could easily just click a design button for a live editing view and manually tweak the colors, the text, and the buttons right there on the fly.
The final stretch to launch goes unbelievably fast, totally bypassing hurdles that used to stall out projects for weeks. Once the landing page looks good, the most critical step happens: connecting a Stripe account. You handle this right inside the platform with a few clicks, instantly enabling your app to process real credit card payments. Then, you literally just click Publish, connect a custom domain name so it looks slick and professional, and boom, the business is officially live. But check this out, the AI doesn't just clock out at launch. The creator utilized an AI ad specialist named Adrian, who completely automates the Google Ads workflow to actively drive traffic and sales straight to your newly minted business.
We've just walked through a process that historically required months of back-breaking labor and massive amounts of capital, completely condensed into a series of text prompts and a few hours of work. I mean, from deep market research to a fully functional, gamified learning platform wired up to accept credit cards, all without writing code. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought to really ponder. If an AI can act as your market researcher, your software engineer, your product manager, and your entire marketing agency, if the only real limit left is your imagination and your ability to describe a solution, what will you build?